Hello students, today we are going to learn about the lesson microorganisms and friends and foe. What is the meaning between friends and foe? Here it is a friends means a useful microorganisms. Foe means harmful microorganisms. Now let's learn about the definition. What are microorganisms? Micro, it is a minute, very small. So that organisms we can see through the microscope but can't be see through the naked eye. This is known as microorganisms. For example, a bread gets grayish white patches during rainy season. What is microbiology? The study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Where do microorganisms live? Microorganisms can be found in almost any kind of the environment. For example, hot desert, polar region, polar means ice, and salt water and marshlands, and inside other organisms like in our stomach or in our body organisms, anywhere it can be hide. Microorganisms can survive in volcanoes, means how much fire also it is there, how much heat also they can survive, deep sea, and even vacuum in air also. Next, microorganism having some rules, like it has having some maybe unicellular or maybe multicellular. Microorganisms maybe exist alone or in colonies. And microorganisms are found in all kinds of environment like ice, cold climate, hot springs, desert, marshy lands. Just now we are seen that one. They are also found inside the bodies of other organisms. Here you can see some more microorganisms. All are very defined and definite shape and having so many colorful bacteria and viruses. Now let we learn about the types of microorganisms. The types of microorganisms are divided into four types, that is, one is bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoans. Viruses are also considered as a microorganisms. They are different from other microorganisms because they reproduce only in the body host organisms like bacteria, plants, or animals. Example, algae, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra, etc. we can tell us. And fungi is a bread mold, Penicillium, and Aspergilles. And protozoans is amoeba and paramecium. So these three types of microorganisms for these many examples. Now we can see here that four types of microorganisms. First one is viruses. There is so many kinds of viruses you can see, DNA virus and RNA viruses, and again enveloped viruses. Bacteria, E. coli, we can tell this like that, and fungi and also protista. So these are all the four types of that microorganisms. Next, the viruses I told you, they have the different types of body organism. So this is like this. One virus having, see there, the head and the tail region, and again tail having the some fibers, and last it is a end plate. In another one organism, that is a HIV virus. Everyone you know that is a AIDS virus, that is human immunodeficiency virus. This virus will eat the immunity power from the human being. That's why the name kept like this, human immunodeficiency virus. See here, the upper part it is glycoprotein, and inside the golden color, the ball like structure, it is a capsid, and identical RNA strands are present, that is reddish in color. So all red color you can see inside that is a RNA, and reverse transcriptase enzyme reverse transcriptase enzyme, that is a bluish color 2 ball like structure, and viral envelope, and side you can see the viral envelope. So thank you students, learn well and write the notes and submit to me. Okay.